Welcome to Celeb Scene Central. 5 years after it went off the air, Veep's popularity has reached an all-time high thanks to life seemingly imitating art. While showrunner David Mandel, who took over from series creator Armando Iannucci in Season 5, is happy at the resurgence, something about the Kamala Harris-Selina Meyer comparisons doesn't sit well with him. When President Joe Biden announced he would not seek re-election and endorsed his VP, Harris, fans of the acclaimed HBO comedy immediately thought of the very similar situation from the Season 2 finale. Julia Louis-Dreyfus Meyer informs her staff that POTUS won't be running for re-election, and that she intends to run for the highest office in the land. "First, I love that apparently Kamala is a Veep fan," Mandel told The Hollywood Reporter. "I think it's great. I think it's great that she has a sense of humor, because we've seen the other side that has no sense of humor." However, Mandel says he is driven crazy when people try to use Veep and Selina Meyer to diminish Harris. But there are two types of people doing Veep memes right now. There are people really enjoying Selina's moment of telling her staff that she's running for president. There's a joy there that's fun and nice and celebratory, he continued. And then there are assholes who are using it differently. Surprise, surprise, Kamala is a woman of color, and it seems like those people are using it as a simple way of insulting her. So I don't like that part. Expanding on the idea of people trying to hang Selina around Kamala's neck, Mandel argues that Donald Trump is the Selina-esque candidate, noting that he's vain, worried about his looks, has a ridiculously better relationship with his body people than his own children, petty, vindictive, worries about his own money, doesn't believe what he says whatever to get elected. Also, both Trump and Selina openly hate women, though Mandel adds that at least Selina had some kind of moral compass because she held firm in her belief in a woman's right to choose. That is definitely where the similarities end.